One of the lessons learned is the need for transparent criteria and communication. And we've observed this issue in the past exercise. And the biggest challenge is the ambiguity in selection criteria, led by the public mistrust and candidate confusion. The current, or what we are recommending, is a clear publication of recruitment guidelines, selection criteria, and scoring method through official platforms. The other issue is the corruption, weaknesses, legitimacy, and public confidence. We've observed issue in past exercise being a widespread reports of bribery and favoritism in recruitment, reduced public trust. We are recommending that we collaborate with EACC, IPOA for monitoring, use of anonymous reporting tool, and disciplinary measures for implicated